Can you imagine what a tiny 1 mm black hole could do? It's so small you might think it's harmless. You might even wonder, could it even eat a single bite of food? But hold on, the truth is far more complicated and even a little scary. They say that if a 1 mm black hole were to reach Earth, it could not only affect our lives, but also threaten the planet itself. Black holes. Just the name sounds terrifying. Like an invisible monster, nothing can escape its grasp. 1 mm might sound insignificant, but do you know how strong its gravity is? It's like an infinitely heavy rock. If you put it in space, it would warp the fabric of space-time around it. And if it set its sights on Earth, we would be in big trouble. You might be thinking, how could a tiny 1 mm black hole possibly threaten Earth? Isn't it just a small speck in the vast universe? Well, although it seems small, its gravity is strong enough to pull in and consume everything around it. Our atmosphere, oceans, even the entire Earth would gradually be sucked in. What's even scarier is that this process wouldn't happen instantly. It would slowly nibble away, gradually devouring the Earth. This tiny black hole could bring about a massive crisis. But don't panic just yet. Although small black holes are scary, they wouldn't swallow the Earth in one gulp. Scientists point out that a black hole's eating process happens step by step. First, it would start with the closest matter, like gas molecules in the atmosphere, and then gradually seep towards the Earth's surface. Little by little, it would begin to affect the Earth's crust, oceans, and eventually, even the core. Sounds a bit creepy, right? The good news is, this process would take a very long time. Even though a 1 mm black hole has strong gravity, its range is very limited. This means we still have some time to come up with a plan. At least we wouldn't be torn apart in seconds. So, if a 1 mm black hole suddenly appeared near Earth, what would we do? It's time for some brainstorming. Scientists might come up with all sorts of creative ideas. For example, could we use advanced technology to alter the black hole's trajectory? Or invent a black hole disperser to send it back to the depths of space? Or maybe we could interfere with the space-time around the black hole, preventing it from expanding its reach. Of course, this all sounds like something out of science fiction, but don't forget, humanity has made tremendous progress in technology. Perhaps in the future, we really will be able to effectively control black holes. However, don't let your guard down. Black holes are not easy to deal with. If a micro-black hole appeared at the center of the Earth, its gravity could disrupt the Earth's core structure, triggering earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and even global disasters. At that point, it wouldn't just be about the Earth being slowly devoured by a black hole. The entire planet's balance could be disrupted, and we might face an unprecedented crisis. But there's a glimmer of hope. Hawking radiation theory offers us a ray of light. According to this theory, small black holes gradually evaporate through radiation. This means that this 1 mm black hole might disappear on its own before it even has a chance to devour the Earth. Maybe we wouldn't even need to take any action, and the black hole would simply starve to death. But even so, we can't let our guard down. After all, the possibility of a black hole appearing, while extremely slim, is not impossible. Advancements in technology are bringing us closer to harnessing these mysterious forces of the universe. Perhaps one day, we truly will be able to achieve man's triumph over nature. As Earth nears its demise, disasters strike one after another. Supervolcanoes erupt, colossal tsunamis engulf coastal cities, and even asteroids collide with our planet, bringing about unimaginable destruction. Human civilization appears incredibly fragile in the face of these calamities. Cities lie in ruins, ecosystems collapse, and survival becomes an arduous struggle. Faced with these unprecedented disasters, fear and despair grip every corner of the globe. Technology and wisdom seem powerless against this cataclysm, and even courage can hardly sustain our hope. The future of Earth appears to be swallowed by darkness, and time is running out for humanity.